Hello, my name is Tom, and I've been coming here to Wellspring. This is my fourth winter. I work construction, and I get pretty sore during the summer and very stiff. I've recently had double hip replacement surgery, and I was prescribed to see a physical therapist, and I'm very glad I came to Wellspring. The ladies here are very good at what they do. They help me regain my balance back, my flexibility back, and generally, basically, help me get rid of a lot of the aches and pains that I've had over the years, especially in conjunction with the healing of the double hip replacement. Um, I wouldn't be able to function during the course of the season if it wasn't for coming in here. So um, it keeps my back very flexible. I'm constantly in the field working up and down on a concrete deck and doing physical work. And this is my opportunity to come in and recuperate each winter and make it so I can get back out there and make a living for my family.